When it comes to cookware, finding the perfect frying pan can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and efficient solution, these Avacraft 1810 12-inch stainless steel frying pan with lid is here to redefine your cooking experience. With its superior quality and thoughtful design, this stainless steel skillet has become a favorite among home chefs. Let's dive into this comprehensive review to explore why it deserves a place in your kitchen. Why the Avacraft 12-inch stainless steel frying pan stands out. 1. Premium 1810 stainless steel construction. Crafted from 1810 food-grade stainless steel, this frying pan boasts unparalleled durability. Its multiply bonded construction ensures resistance to rust, stains, and corrosion, making it a healthier alternative to non-stick pans that often contain harmful chemicals. The interior features a matte finish, which prevents scratches and maintains a polished look over time, while the mirror-finished exterior adds a sleek touch to your kitchen. 2. Multiply bonded base for even heating. Uneven heat distribution is a common frustration with many pans, but not with this one. The multiply bonded base eliminates hot spots, ensuring your food cooks evenly every time. This heavy-duty frying pan can handle everything from searing steaks to gently sautéing vegetables, delivering professional-grade results at home. 3. Thoughtful design for maximum convenience. The Avacraft skillet is more than just a frying pan, it's a versatile kitchen companion designed for real-world cooking. It features side spouts on both sides. These make pouring sauces, soups, or excess oil a breeze without creating a mess. Strong, stay-cool handle, ergonomically designed for a secure grip even when the pan is hot. Clear glass lid with steam vent allows you to monitor your food without lifting the lid and losing heat. 4. Induction compatible and versatile. No matter what kind of cooktop you have, induction, gas, electric, ceramic, or halogen, this frying pan has you covered. Its compatibility with various heat sources makes it a truly universal kitchen tool, perfect for any cooking style or recipe. 5. Easy to clean and built to last. Cleaning up after cooking is often a chore, but the Avacraft frying pan makes it easy. It's dishwasher-safe, resistant to cracking, and easy to wipe clean. The high-quality materials ensure this pan stays in excellent condition even with frequent use. 6. The perfect gift for any occasion. Looking for a thoughtful gift? The Avacraft frying pan is ideal for housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, or even as a treat for yourself. It's a versatile addition to any cookware collection and comes with a lifetime guarantee, offering peace of mind with every purchase. Key features of the Avacraft 12-inch frying pan. 1. Superior durability. Made from premium 1810 stainless steel, this pan is built to withstand heavy use. It resists rust, corrosion, and staining, ensuring it remains a reliable kitchen companion for years. 2. Heat distribution excellence. The multiply bonded construction eliminates uneven cooking. You can say goodbye to burnt edges and undercooked centers, as the pan delivers uniform heat distribution every time. 3. Versatility for every kitchen. From stovetop to oven, this frying pan is compatible with all heat sources. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or braising, the Avacraft skillet is up to the task. 4. Practical design. The dual-side spouts, clear lid, and ergonomic handle demonstrate Avacraft's commitment to functionality and user comfort. 5. Easy maintenance. The pan's design ensures effortless cleaning, making it as convenient as it is durable. What can you cook with the Avacraft frying pan? Thanks to its versatility, the Avacraft frying pan is perfect for a variety of dishes, such as seared steaks and chicken breasts, stir-fried vegetables and noodles, pan-fried salmon and other seafood, golden brown pancakes and crepes, delicious one-pan pasta dishes. Its spacious 12-inch surface provides ample room for cooking multiple servings, making it ideal for family meals. Who should buy the Avacraft 12-inch stainless steel frying pan? This frying pan is perfect for home cooks looking for a durable, versatile, and stylish addition to their kitchen. Health-conscious individuals who prefer cookware without harmful non-stick coatings. Those who value quality and are willing to invest in a pan that will last a lifetime. Final thoughts. Is the Avacraft frying pan worth it? If you're searching for a reliable, versatile, and high-quality frying pan, the Avacraft 12-inch stainless steel frying pan with lid is a fantastic choice. Its thoughtful design, durable construction, and outstanding performance make it a valuable investment for any kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or experimenting with gourmet recipes, this frying pan is sure to impress. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.